fly over stadium, don't fly over people, stay away from helicopters, things like that. And then you actually can have a Part 107, which is for commercial, where they do fly these things for money. If you want to fly it for money, you actually have that. Yeah, this is actually the gimbal control. Gimbal here. Well, that's for the camera. This is old school. I hardly ever fly this thing anymore because I fly little ones. Phantoms, Mavic, Solos, they're much more easy to choose. And they have built-in video, which I can share. I can actually buy the second person. Camera videos all the time.
sfdroneschool.com.
This is all really old school stuff.
Control for the watch, and then control the smart ball that touches this ball and bring it back to you. You can control it by talking to it. Right? Hey, Chip. Yoga. So that is just on sale now. You'll be able to find it everywhere. Best Buy, Toys R Us. The company's called Wowie. Wowie Toys are out of Hong Kong. And they have, not only that, but they have drones now. So, customer. They are a customer. The big collection is our customer. Smart Fun is our customer.
Right.
We're the underlying sensor technology.
Yeah, I've got.
Yeah, we can either provide it on a chip or we can provide the firmware for a chip. Our primary verticals are lighting and robotic systems. So we're launching a test. Thank you very much. Hey, how you doing?
Great. Yeah, I was admiring the robot dog here. I was at the Robo Business Expo last 2 days over at the San Jose Convention Center. I mean, I'm with the newsbubble.com. I'm recording the convention in 360 video, so that people can attend virtually and see all the cool stuff that's going on here.
Sure.
I mean, I was wondering if you'd care to tell my audience about your business and what you do.
Okay. So we have a sensor technology for touchless 3D gesture control. So it allows manufacturers to add very low-cost infrared transmitters and receivers. And we can use the entire spectrum, but infrared tends to be the bandwidth with the lowest cost components, transmitters and receivers. So ours is the underlying ranging technology and algorithms, and then they build it into products. So Ubiquilux here is a gesture sensing light switch, so they're calling this the emotion light switch. So it's on and off without having to touch it. And what you can do is you can walk by, and it's not going to trigger, so it's doing that intelligent pattern recognition.
Right.
That's based on the positional information that's coming from our sensing technology.
Cool.
Right? And then it's very precise. You can also range with it. So you can dim based on how far away your hand is, for example.
Right.
And in this case, they built it like a regular switch where you can touch it on and off as well.
Right.
So that's on the HMI perspective. This is a company called Wowie. Wowie had a toy called MIP. This is MIP. Oops. Back a bit. So MIP responds to simple gestures using our technology. And so there's 2 transmitters and 1 receiver back here. And that's how he's getting the kind of the differential range.
Now, he doesn't see the edge.
He does not see the edge. Now, you could put more sensors on for edge detection, But again, this is up to our customers.
Right.
Right? So this is a great toy, one toy of the year, 2014.
Yeah, I mean, I actually got one of those from Wowie at the CES last January.
Okay, great.
And so I'm a big fan of Wowie's.
Oh,
toys,
they're
and I've got a
fantastic.
number of their robots.
Yeah.
And I mean,
So when you went, they were just launching this. This is Rev.
yeah.
Now Rev, and so this passive type of technology that you saw is a human-machine interface. That's gesture sense. That's our technology. And then in these robotic cars, they call them Rev, or robotic enhanced vehicles. They have AI-based gameplay. So there's transmitters and receivers on each side of the car, so they know the distance and angle they are away from each other. Now the gameplay is you drive one, I drive one, we shoot at each other until one of us is dead. But the interesting thing is that you can set one of the cars or one or more of the cars on AI mode, and they'll autonomously chase you, follow you, and try to destroy you.
Right. Sounds like the Overdrive. I mean, there's similar. I mean, vehicles that's called Overdrive.
But those are camera based, and they're much more expensive. So the thing about our technology is it's very affordable for the functionality it gives.
Right.
Right. So they have, I think, 2 of these cars in a pack for $69.
Okay.
Right, and you can feel these, and if you see them move, I don't know if I can.
This feels nice and hefty. It doesn't feel like it's really lightweight. I mean, this will put up with some abuse.
Yeah. Do you want to see a demo of this?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, show it for my audience here.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay. So. As usual, there's bandwidth issues in a convention hall, right?
Hello. Good.
Followed you a little bit on Facebook.
Okay. Thank you.
Still so much to learn though. So
Yeah. I mean, I'm covering this convention in 360 video.
I'll let you work then.
No. I mean, the entire idea of my videos is virtual presence. I mean, having people here, I mean, just as if they're there. So having people come up and say hi and introducing themselves is very welcome because I mean, I want my audience to feel like they're here themselves.
AR VR China Summit a couple weeks back.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so here's the app. It pairs with the car via Bluetooth.
Okay.
So I now control this car, and they're pretty speedy. They're pretty responsive. They're fun to drive around. So it's really fun when obviously both of us are playing one and then we're shooting at each other. You have different weapons.
Now, I mean, are these two interacting with each other? Because I mean,